Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a journey over Fairy Creek Falls, located near Fernie in British Columbia. This picturesque spot is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. The trail leading to Fairy Creek Falls is about 4.6 kilometers round trip, making it a family-friendly hike suitable for all ages. The path gently winds through the forest, following the serene Fairy Creek. Along the way, you might notice the cheerful chirps of Columbian ground squirrels, especially as you approach the open meadows. Fairy Creek itself is more than just a pretty stream, it's the main water source for the city of Fernie. The creek is fed by snowmelt from Mount Fernie, Mount Proctor, and the Three Sisters, highlighting the importance of preserving this natural resource. Thank you for joining us on this visual journey over Fairy Creek.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!